Welcome to Car Insurance Module 1. What is car insurance and how does it work? Buying or leasing a vehicle is a big decision, so it's important to protect your investment. Car insurance is a type of financial protection that covers motorists in case of an accident, theft, or damage involving the insured vehicle. Similar to other kinds of insurance, car insurance is essentially a contract between you and an insurer in which you agree to pay a periodic bill in exchange for financial coverage. When you apply for a car insurance policy, you will have a number of different coverage levels and add-ons to choose from. Each policy outlines the specific losses that will be covered by your insurance company and the limits to each. When a covered incident occurs, your insurer will pay the costs associated up to your limit and minus your deductible. For example, let's say that you accidentally rear-end another vehicle and do extensive damage. Without car insurance, you would be responsible for paying for all of the damages and injuries resulting from the accident, which could be thousands of dollars. However, with car insurance, you don't have to worry about going bankrupt over an accident. Having car insurance is so crucial that it is required by law in all but 2 states, which are Virginia and New Hampshire. However, even if you aren't legally obligated to have auto insurance, it's definitely worth paying for. In case of damages to your car or somebody else's, the amount of money that you could be subject to paying greatly outweighs the amount that you pay for coverage. In states where citizens are required to have car insurance, you will face penalties if you are busted without proof of insurance. Penalties vary by state, but you could be subject to large fines, a license suspension, and even jail time for multiple offenses. Another case where you may be required to have car insurance is when leasing a vehicle or getting a loan for one. Car insurance also covers damages to your car that occurred because of an act of God. For example, imagine that you wake up to find that a tree has fallen over onto your car or that it has been damaged in a hailstorm. These occurrences are completely out of your hands, but without car insurance, you would be responsible for paying the total cost of repairs necessary or even purchase a new vehicle. Or, let's say that your friend needs to borrow your car to get to work. You're reluctant, but you give them your keys. Later on, you find out that your friend got in a fender bender while driving your car. Luckily, if you have car insurance, you won't have to be too upset with your friend. If your friend was found at fault for the accident, your insurance will cover the damages and injuries that may have occurred. However, you will still have to pay the deductible on your claim, which is often minuscule in comparison to the cost of repairs that your insurer is covering on your behalf. All in all, getting car insurance is arguably one of the best decisions that you can make as a driver. You may not be thrilled about taking on another expense, but it protects you from being at risk to huge financial burdens and even possible lawsuits. In conclusion, car insurance is a type of financial protection that covers motorists in case of an accident, theft, or damage involving the insured vehicle. Car insurance is required by law in all but 2 states, which are Virginia and New Hampshire. Car insurance will protect you from going bankrupt over an accident.